Cook County Assessor Joseph Berrios has never made any secret of his affinity for old-school politics that put a premium on loyalty and favors. That approach has served him well in the Cook County Democratic Party, where he's risen to chairman, and at the ballot box, where he's won 2 terms as assessor and next year will seek a 3rd. But it also has caused problems for him with federal court monitors, who are not so fond of the old ways. For years they have been prodding Berrios to comply with standards from the landmark Shockman decree aimed at ending political patronage in local government. The monitor's reports, reviewed by the Chicago Tribune and ProPublica Illinois, reveal a persistent pattern in Berrios' office of improper hiring and firing, arbitrary staffing decisions and resistance to change. The pace of reform has been slow and the assessor's commitment often tepid, records and interviews show. Even after 5 years of court hearings and monitoring, the office has yet to emerge from federal oversight and county taxpayers are paying a price. The county covers bills for both the Shockman attorneys and the court monitor, ongoing costs that now total more than $3 million, according to bills approved by a federal judge and county records. The examination of Berrios' struggle with Shockman compliance comes as the basic competence of his assessment operation has been challenged. The investigative series The Tax Divide, which launched in the Tribune in June, found deep flaws in property assessments under Berrios during many of the same years the office ran afoul of the Shockman agreement. The series, based on an analysis of millions of property tax records, found that residential assessments in Cook County were inaccurate and unfair during Berrios' tenure, punishing poorer residents and handing breaks to wealthier ones. A December installment, co-published with ProPublica Illinois, exposed inequities and inaccuracies in Berrios' commercial and industrial assessments during the years 2011 through 2015, with downtown skyscrapers landing massive breaks while small businesses got hit with unfair property tax bills. The person now in charge of those valuations is Berrios' daughter Vanessa, who was promoted into the job in 2016, a move that the federal monitor said flagrantly violated employment guidelines. Cynthia Canary, a good government consultant, sees a connection between the way the assessor's office operates under Berrios and the questions swirling around one of his most fundamental tasks, issuing accurate property assessments. If you've got an office that practices patronage and disregards rules, I don't think we should be surprised that the outcomes we get, in terms of assessments, are shoddy, said Canary, who formerly ran the Illinois Campaign for Political Reform and headed an ethics task force for Mayor Rahm Emanuel. It's like garbage in, garbage out. One monitor report, filed in late 2014, found that a department in the assessor's office that gathers data to calculate property values was impacted by political patronage. That report also found that some workers who handle technical reviews, a final step in assessments where information can be corrected or added, felt underused, saying they were getting cut out of decisions they had made before Berrios took office. The staff does not feel utilized despite having the working knowledge and skills to get the job done, the monitor wrote.